NBC26 News at 6 with Stacey Engebretson, John Erickson, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, and Sports Director Charlie Sakaitis. NBC26 News at 6, keeping you connected. And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
It was another warm and wet day across northeast Wisconsin, but we've got changes on the way. Let's start with the temperatures first. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Much colder weather is going to move into Wisconsin. Take a look at that. Most days will only feature highs in the 40s to around 50 degrees as we move through the next week or so. That's a big change from what we've had the last several days when highs have been in the 60s, 70s, or 80s. Right now, we are looking at mainly 60s out there. It's a little bit cooler north of Green Bay, where temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s. In the valley, it is 66 degrees. In Green Bay, we've got mostly cloudy conditions. The temperature is 68, and it's humid. Dew points are still in the mid to upper 60s. We've been dealing with some on and off light to moderate rain for most of the day. That has now shifted to the north, but now additional showers and perhaps a few thunderstorms are developing here from Appleton back towards Oshkosh and then south towards Fond du Lac. Everything is sliding off towards the north and east. And these showers and thunderstorms are actually developing ahead of a cold front that's going to swing through here later on tonight. Now, there's still a marginal threat for severe weather as we head through the evening. That means 1 or 2 storms could still be on the strong side. That probability is pretty low, however. The main threat's probably some brief heavy rain as we head through the next couple of hours. Now, our main weather maker is an area of low pressure now located across western Wisconsin. Out ahead of it, we had thunderstorms and showers and warm temperatures on the backside of it. 6 to 12 inches of snow across northwestern Minnesota and eastern North Dakota, and very cold temperatures, highs only in the lower to mid 30s. Feeling more like late November or early December, and that colder weather is moving east. Now, here's a look at highs in the 40s or colder before October 17th, which takes us through the next week or so. And you can see so far this year we've already had 1 day, but if you go back to 2012, we have only had 3 days total with highs in the 40s or colder. But as we head through the next 7 days, we're going to see 4 to 6 days with highs in the 40s. So this is an unusually cold air mass moving into Wisconsin here as we head through the next week or so. Highs tomorrow, mainly in the 40s. Across the north, temperatures will only be in the mid to upper 30s for highs. And speaking of 30s, wind chills will be in the mid 30s as we move through the middle of the afternoon. Clouds during the morning will give way to a mixture of sun and clouds as we head into the afternoon, and dry conditions. And we certainly need to dry out. We've had a lot of rain since August 1st. 15.5 inches to be exact. That is over 8 inches above normal since August 1st. But as we take a look at the next 2 weeks, some good news. Much drier weather is going to move into the upper Midwest. In fact, we're expecting below normal precipitation for the next 2 weeks. That's really, really good news. We need to dry out. So tonight, any rain ending, windy and colder, lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Tomorrow, windy and cold. Look for highs only in the 40s. Some upper 30s way to the north of Green Bay. Good chance for a frost or a freeze Friday and or Saturday morning. Maybe some rain showers, possibly mixing with a wet snowflake or a sleet pellet on Sunday, especially north and west of Green Bay. And then staying chilly as we head through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. A good chance for a morning frost or freeze, upper 20s to lower 30s, and then afternoon highs 10